Hi, I'm Anna Tapper, and welcome to this session about maths in the outdoor environment. This is part of the Spring Term CPD programme for 2023. The pioneers of early childhood education emphasised the fundamental and crucial role that nature and outdoor experiences have in child development. And the EYFS guidance firmly places a high value on outdoor provision, insisting that children must have daily opportunities to be outdoors. The recent Education Endowment Foundation, Improving Mathematics in the Early Years in Key Stage 1, offers 5 recommendations for developing the maths skills of 3 to 7-year-olds. Recommendations include integrating maths into different activities throughout the day to familiarise children with maths language, and exploring mathematics through different contexts. It also highlights how manipulatives and representations can be powerful tools for supporting young children to engage with mathematical ideas. In a blog for Meals Cop Research School, Katie Holden explains how the outdoors itself brings nature's maths. The beauty of shape, colour, classification, order, symmetry, pattern, and quantities. Children naturally use mathematical thinking and learn skills as part of their outdoor experiences. They will count, measure, explore shapes, and develop mathematical ideas through their imagination and creative play. It's been argued by researchers that in order for children to become effective mathematicians, they should develop a mathematical disposition. This can be supported by the execution of maths outdoors, enabling children to develop an awareness that maths is all around them, allowing them to make connections in their learning and experiences. Maths in the outside environment offer different opportunities to those inside. Playing equipment can be bigger, messier, and louder. Look at this video of Zia using her knowledge of the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears to experiment with measuring and equality. How does she engage with her objects? How does she engage with the adult? And how does this interaction support her understanding of mathematical concepts? Notice the balance of child to adult talk. Can you see the Shrek approach in action? Notice also the balance between adult initiated and child-led learning.
There we are.
To the top.
Right, put it in the top. Come on then.
No, we're not putting that to the top.
No.
It'd be too heavy.
Is it?
Please, a little bit.
Oh, that's too much. You're making a good balance. Very good. Wow, see?
I said me.
Measuring, look. It's all the same amount in a bowl.
Did you hear the sound?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little bit, yay.
Oh, she don't need.
That's too much.
Oh, she needs a bit.
Oh, I need them all.
I share it out.
Yeah?
I share.
That's it. Get some more down
It melted. Let me see.
Right, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah. The 1, 2, 3.
3 balls. You put every... Yeah. All ready?
No,
Ready, Wilson? What are you going to put some? Oh. What's that, Zia?
Petals. I got 2.
Go one more.
The 3 petals.
What did you put inside?
Petals.
pedal, yeah.
So look at
Oh, that's a big one, isn't it?
them. Look a bit more. Look at see.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
So one for the daddy bear, mummy bear, baby bear.
Yeah.
Is that for all three bears?
Yeah.
This game of Skittles was used as a summer term assessment activity against the number early learning goals. Consider how the task design enables this to happen through a playful activity. How's the adult supporting learning here? What knowledge of number are the children demonstrating? And how is this different from an assessment activity that might happen inside?
Right, how many did you knock down, Morella?
2 again.
You've knocked down 2, and what else? Start it again, Roger. There's 8 altogether. It's yours.
How many does Ismail do?
Right, so Ismail needs to have a turn. Ismail, go get the ball for me.
Look at me. Yes, Robert. I got the ball.
Right, go put your name on the list then.
I got the ball.
Right, you ready?
Throw it.
Oh, well done. Right, go get the ball. You get another turn, Ismail.
I know. I went to hit ball in once. Throw. Go. Hey.
Oh,
Go
right,
count
go
it.
count how many.
Another six.
Ismail, how many did you knock over? How many is that?
6.
Oh, well done. Right, come and write
6.
3 under your name. Right, I think it's Happiness's turn next, Morella. She's had a turn. Around the tree. Is it? Yeah, good try. Well done.
Two tries. YouTuber did it.
Like that.
I saw YouTuber did it. That.
That's it. Well done.
I saw YouTuber
Way.
did it. What?
Right, come and write one then.
Here.
Yes, and then it's Morella.
Zero. You never tell me well. I'm going to face and hit.
No, the ones that have fallen, Morella. 6 at all. But how many did you knock down? How many are down? 4. So your score is 4. Come and write 4, Morella. Under your 8. Done. Right, Happiness's turn. Where's she gone?
So if mathematical learning is not as well developed in your outside environment as it is indoors, here are a few ideas to get you started. In the garden area, games with grasses and sticks can lead to discussions about how tall something is, how many different types you have, counting, exploring the number of triangles it's possible to make with 9 sticks or 5 sticks. Games with flowers and sticks, maybe counting the number of petals, creating shapes and trails by walking through long grass, collecting natural objects and finding out how many you have, sorting and categorizing them by size and shape. Gardening is a great opportunity to think about if we have enough of things for every person that's involved. So do we have enough space for everyone? Do we have enough space to plant rows of seeds? How many seeds will fit in each row? Look at the different shapes of the leaves growing. How much water might we need for our gardening area? Scavenger hunts also offer an opportunity to match objects found in the garden to outdoor numbers or shape cards. Water play provides an opportunity to explore capacity on a larger scale than indoor water play, using large buckets, jugs, and watering cans of different sizes and depths. Explore how water can be transported through different channels. Include pieces of guttering and tubing, different lengths and sizes, along the crates or water stands to allow children to lift and transport water. When digging or measuring within the sand or mud area, children can explore depth. How deep is the hole? Who can dig the deepest hole? How many more spades would we need to dig to the bottom? We can start to think about time concepts. Can you shovel faster with a small spade or a big spade? We can also talk about capacity and mass. How much is in the bucket? How full is it? Is it light or heavy? What would happen if we added more to the bucket? In construction, everything should be much bigger than it is inside. Large crates, planks of wood, wooden poles, pegs, tyres, and outdoor fabrics such as tarpaulin with different fastenings will all lead to large construction with lots of learning potential. Den building is a great opportunity to explore size, scale, capacity, height, length, and estimation. The size and scale of the materials will mean that children will often need to work collaboratively to achieve what they've set out to do. There'll be a high degree of problem solving involved too. Stacking and balancing objects. How many can you stack before it falls over? What if I take one away? How many are left? Estimating and measuring how many planks of wood will be needed to get from the start point to the end point. We've already seen how Game of Skittles has supported children's mathematical development, and outdoor games provide endless mathematical opportunities. A games area with hoops, balls, skittles, beanbags, and other equipment can provide multiple learning opportunities, particularly if placed next to a large chalkboard or an area where children can create simple tallies to represent and record their scores. Watch the interactions between the adult and the children in this game of Hunt the Balls, focusing on the mathematical language being used.
I think there was some near the slide. Oh, you spotted one! In the front. That one's got lots of holes in it.
Yes, I got that.
Oh, there we go. You have got 5 now, you're right. You want 10? Okay, let's see if we can find 10. Oh, Sarviga spotted it. Look, now you've got 6. She is sharing, it's really kind, isn't it? You got it.
Family, I got the 5, but you got the little Eddie. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, 6 over.
Yeah, 6 altogether.
Whoa, let's take it.
Yeah, they're rolling the balls down the slide. They're really fast. We might be able to... Hey, Myra, I can see a yellow ball underneath. Yeah, that little bush there. Can you reach it? Yeah, it's the yellow one. It's a bit tricky to reach, isn't it?
I can't hear it.
Look, it is dirty, but look, there's another one.
It's dirty.
It's got a bit of mud on it. There you go.
But that's not
2 more yellow balls. Oh, there's so many hiding under all the trees.
It's got pink already.
Yeah, underneath the trees.
Next steps. Consider your own outdoor provision. It may be beneficial to ask a colleague to provide a pair of fresh eyes to look at it with you and see what could be developed further. When planning for outdoor learning, consider the progression from nursery to reception. We shouldn't see the same activities and the same provision and resources being used in nursery as children are in reception. How does the outdoor provision support children's mathematical development? How do adult interactions support children's mathematical thinking? Use the Shrek approach when working outdoors with children to develop that along with their mathematical reasoning. And remember that outdoor learning is a great opportunity for things to be bigger, messier, and louder.